going to show you how you can enter pairing mode as well as factory reset the JBuds Air Sport earbuds. Okay, very simple. First thing is let's put these in pairing mode. All right, let me open the case up, and as soon as I take these out, as soon as you take them out, they may automatically go into pairing mode. You'll know that when one of the buds is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, but I'm not getting that. So now let me just hold these two touch sensors here. Ready, set, go. I'm just pressing hold. Just hold for a few seconds and then let go, and then it should go into pairing mode. Okay, mine didn't do it. Let me try it again. Touch sense. Oh, there it goes automatically. Now you can see the blue, white blinking. If it didn't work, then just do it again. Just press and hold for a few seconds, then let go, and then see if one of the earbuds, supposed to be the right earbud, that's blinking blue, white. So this is in pairing mode now. So for instance, let me go ahead and connect. I'll use my Android phone here. So let's go ahead and connect to this phone first. So let me click on settings. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. I'm going to turn on Bluetooth. And then I'm going to go, it's still in pairing mode. I see it blinking blue, white. And now under devices, oh, there it is, the JBuds right there. Let me tap on that. And then voila, we're connected, okay? Now let's try this. Let's do a factory reset, okay? So let me go ahead and put these on here. Going to put them back into the case here. I'm going to go ahead and close it. Now I'm going to open it up. Now, in order to factory reset these, you have to do each earbud individually, okay? So we'll do the one side here. All you got to do is tap that sensor 7 times, and the light here will blink blue 4 times. So we'll do this side first. Ready? 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it just blinked 4 times, and we'll do this side as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see it blink 4 times. Now, let's go ahead and pull these out. And you can see it's blinking blue, white on just one of the earbuds, indicating it's in pairing mode. Okay, so we just factory reset these. Okay, so now for instance, let's say if you went back to your iPhone and you see I was connected before here, now it says not connected. If I try to connect again, it's going to tell me to forget device. So what I have to do if I want to repair back to this phone, let me click on the little eye there, and I'm going to tap on forget device. If you're on an Android phone, you want to tap on unpair. Okay, so forget device, and now it's in pairing mode. Now it should show up down here. It's still in the pairing mode here. So let's give it a second. Let's see if it shows up here. It's still blinking blue, white rapidly. Okay, let me just go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off, and let me turn it back on here. And yep, there it is, the JBuds right there. Let's tap on that, and we're going to go ahead and reconnect, and now it's connected. All right, here you go.